Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to IT First Solutions. In this video we will learn about SQL Select Into Statement. So this statement is very useful when we want to create the copy of your our entire table with data. So you should use this SQL Select Into statement. Let's say we have a lot of records in this employees table and I want to create copy of this table. So in that case we will use this SQL Select Into statement. Okay, so you should write like this: select static and then into, and over here I will write the table of my name of my new table. Okay, so in my case test employees, or I can write employees copy. Okay, select static and then into new employees, and then I will write from statement, from employees. Okay, so this is our employees table, and first make sure select all from employees. Okay, so make sure what we have in this table. Look at this, we have 7 records in this table. Okay, if I execute this query, this will create a new table with the name of employees copy, and it will also copy this all records and columns from here to this table. Okay, so click on this one and click on execute, right click on table, refresh, and make sure we don't have employees copy over here. Okay, so copy this one and click on execute. Look at this, 7 rows affected. Now right click on this table and refresh. Look at this, we have employees table. Okay, employees copy, so select all from employees copy, and now execute this one. Look at this, we have all of the existing record which was in this employees table, we have also in this table. You can use this SQL Select Into statement to insert to create same table from one database to another database. You can also use, because we are using only one database, but you can also use another database, and over here you will write the name of your new database or existing database. Okay, desired database. This will copy all the record from this table and will store into this table of this database. Because we are using same database, that's why we will not specify the database name is not required if we want to copy data from one table to another table within the same database. So this is very useful statement. A lot of time we will use this select into statement, and this will create the copy of. You can also create you can also create a new table with your specified columns. If you want to if you don't want to store create these 2 columns or 3 columns, then you need to specify columns over here like employee ID, then employee name, and so on. Okay, so this is how you can create a copy of your table with data in SQL using SQL Select Into statement. I hope so you like this video. If you like this video, please click on subscribe button and also share this video with your friends and family and on your social media accounts, so new students can easily learn the SQL concepts. We'll meet again in the next video. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.